Dan untuk pertandingan besok mungkin tidak mudah bagi kami, tapi kami siap melakukan dan memberikan segalanya. Kami akan berkorban dan memberikan yang terbaik.
Unfortunately, we don't have preparation
because we arrive from Borneo.
make a recovery and come here.
This is our reality. This is
Semaranga,
a good team. We have 8 days to prepare the match.
perfect conditions. Unfortunately, we don't have all the players that we want, but this is an opportunity for other players.
I think Semaranga have very good local
Players, very good young players, very good foreign players, very good
facilities, very good stadium, and have
more time than us to
to make Vagos preparation. So
tomorrow going to be very difficult game.
also, in my opinion,
Opinion, I already know who's going to be
the
there.
referee tomorrow, and I want
Remember one thing, respect PSM Makassar. I just say this. One of the things that I have pleasure
in the football
that we are fighting for 3 results. We can lose, we can draw, we can win. If we
lose, if we
draw, if we win, we need to feel like this result is fair. And the last 2 matches that we play away, the result was not fair. Borneo was not penalty, and we
get a defeat, and on
Sleman, the goal that we are winning Satu.
Kosovo, the goal that
Opponent team scored, everybody saw,
that was a foul. The
referee don't want to see. Sorry, we must say this. And now, tomorrow, the referee gonna be the same referee, Persija Satu, PSM Makassar Satu.
if you
Remember, the goal
goal that
Persija scored,
before the striker
the forward from Persija, kick the nuts of Janče. Janče is inside of the box, and there are Ampat was it, nobody stopped the match. And after, Persija scored goal.
if was the
Same situation of PSM Makassar, I believe that this was it, not come back, but was Persija, and now we come here to Java to play, and we have was it that make this to us. We have last match away, was it that everybody saw
this
penalty, but it's not just the penalty. If you go
see
number 91 make a penalty to Uran,
on the real match,
it's many mistakes that people are making to us. Leo Gutara, number 15, must be sent off. I don't understand.
enough players that
The referee not make kartu kuning and after send email that the player is suspended. And I see many games, opponent teams and opponent players
make
big tackles to our players that we have many players injured and nothing happened. So if you don't want to go to Pare, if you don't like PSM Makassar, say this, and we not need to spend money to come to make this competition, because in this moment what I feel we are compete against 2 teams. We want to compete.
against Semaranga.
This is my message before the match, and I hope that when finish the match,
If Semaranga win,
I say congratulations to Semaranga. No need to speak
about the referee,
because the referee must be professional. Because
one player make
Tirabagos work
player out.
when coach make Tirabagos work, coach
Referee, was it? Make players
work.
X matches against the same team. This cannot happen. If you want to develop football
Here, it cannot happen. Sorry to say like this. I hope that tomorrow can be fantastic environment.
on the stadium, because we have good supporters,
We have good team, and unfortunately,
cannot be supporters from
PSM Makassar.
I hope
On the final,
of the game that we
we speak about the referee, we speak about the football, because the star of the football is the players, not the referee.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore semuanya. Ya, yang kita ketahui sekarang PSIS adalah tim yang kuat dan bagus. Dan untuk pertandingan besok mungkin tidak mudah bagi kami, tapi kami siap melakukan dan memberikan segalanya. Kami akan berkorban dan memberikan yang terbaik. Dan untuk para supporter, semoga mari dukung kita di segala keadaan apapun, menang atau kalah, tetap dukung kita PSM Makassar.